frame. And in this video, we are going to discuss about how to accept the values from the user. Means user will enter some information into the code and how the program is going to receive it. So first, now let me create one val, and that is the name. So, and this is of the type string. So I can generally first I can declare it to be string type. That also I can do string, and I can take one val as is, and that is of type int, and then I take one val weight, and this type I'm making the type as double. So here I write now print ln, enter the name. Okay, and then control C. I just save my time because I have to take the name, enter the age, and then I can enter weight. So then when it enters that enter the name, then what I need is that I write name equal just read line. So it will automatically get the values from the user and then it will place it back. So now you have to um, this function, this one is toString. Okay, so I add this toString and then it will be stressed, or you can say placed back into this one. So now whatever you get from the user, that is stressed into or converted into the string type, and then they stored back into the name because name is also of type string. Then here it goes that enter the age and then write age equals read line, and dot we can use as integer dot, or better if I use other way, that integer dot value of, and then inside this value of I pass the whole this one. So this will be done, and then here I write weight equals double dot value of double dot or we can also take parse double, but that is for Java. So double dot like read line dot toString. Okay, then this dot value of or to double, yes. So this is easier one, sorry. So the read line dot toString, so whatever user gets in from the read line, and that is converted to string, and that is to double of. Now let's see how we have got our values. So again I paste, paste. Then here we'll write message equals name is dollar name, and then here I write message equals is this is dollar is, and here also I write message equal weight is dollar weight. Now you see everything is looking cool. There are certain ways it says that can be joined with the assignment. So can be joined with the assignment means here only I can write. Now just for explanation purpose I am joining it. So now here you see what it becomes. It becomes val name equal to string equals to read line like this. So this way also you can do, and like here. So the things are changing, like the first in the Java, or those who have studied other programming languages, like say that the first thing is that you have declared a variable and then later you can store value in them. But right now here you can make them together, like the declaration and the assignment of the values in those variables directly. Now look at this, how everything becomes. First I'm printing a line, this is enter the name, and then I'm declaring a variable named of its string, and then whatever I'm getting from the read line and converting this back into the two strings, and then I'm placing it back into the name. Same thing I'm doing here also. So the integer dot value of integer, for double I have different technique, and there you see it's read line dot two strings and two double. So now let me run the code and see. So it's building, compilation is done, Kotlin demo is working, now finished. And here it says enter the name. I write do crafts learn. Age is just 1, right? I write a number 21, and the weight is 34.89. And there you see all these lines you are seeing properly displayed. Now there is also another way that you can declare this one, like called scanner class. So with the help of scanner class also you can create. So first let me create the object of the scanner, and that goes like first val reader equals scanner, and then I pass system dot in. Okay, now it will ask that since this is introduce import alias, so that is Java util scanner. This is now you see that this becomes like the java.utility scanner as java.util scanner, and then I'm putting. So when it says print enter this, and then I say that the reader dot okay, this line is should be in single quote. Yes, system dot in, or I can, yes. So this is symbol is just, you see on the keyboards, just placed just above the tab, and this is tilde. So inside that you have to press this in, and then now I have to get the reader dot read next line. So this is next line, and then here print enter the age. Then I have to write, because this one can directly read the int value. So reader dot next int. So here no such problem, and then I can write reader dot next double. So just you don't need to convert all this thing, and this is so beautifully placed. Okay, here I hope you understand this. This is a Java style of context, and this is just not a big issue. Otherwise you can, yeah. So So I'm running the code here. This is, I'm accepting the data from the user using the scanner class from the java.util.scanner. So enter the name. I enter my name first, Gangadhar Pandey. Age I write as 44, and then the weight is 98.98. This is all working nicely. Thank you very much, and in the next video we'll discuss something more beautiful and empowering. Thank you very much. Keep subscribing to our channel, just share among your friends, and just keep watching our video, and ask your doubts, and then just motivates us so that we can keep on making the more beautiful videos for you. Thank you very much.